Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 25. An open indent is an instruction from a buyer to his agent abroad to A. Buy goods from a specified manufacturer, B. Buy goods from any manufacturer, C. Insure the goods bought before dispatching them, D. Ship the goods bought through a particular shipping company, E. Ship the goods bought through any shipping company. So we're looking at an open indent. Now, what is an open indent? Now, an open indent is an order to an overseas purchasing agent, so a purchasing agent abroad, to buy certain goods without specifying the manufacturer. So an order to an overseas purchasing agent to buy certain goods without specifying the manufacturer, so from any manufacturer. Now, option B is buy goods from any manufacturer. So the correct answer is option B, buy goods from any manufacturer. So it will be important to also note that when the manufacturer is specified, it is known as a closed indent. But if it's from any manufacturer that is not specified, it is called an open indent. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.